Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome to biology class. I hope all are good. You follow COVID rules. Stay home, stay safe. In this pandemic situation, many members suffered a lot. Our principals are instructed to each and every teacher to teach lessons for you. So in this time, you should utilize for listening classes, for your bright future. So don't go outside. Use always mask and sanitizer. Okay. Thank you. All the best to everyone. So be ready for listening biology classes. In the ninth class biology textbook, nearly 11 topics are there. See, this is the textbook, biology textbook, chapter 1, cell structure and functions. Chapter 2, plant tissues. Chapter 3, animal tissues. Chapter 4, plasma membrane. Chapter 5th, diversity in living organisms. Chapter 6th, sense organs. Chapter 7, animal behavior. Chapter 8, challenges in improving agricultural products. Chapter 9, adaptations in different ecosystems. Chapter 10, soil pollution. Chapter 11, biogeochemical cycles. These are the 10 chapters in biology textbook, especially in 9th class. So today, I am going to explain about the first chapter in 9th class, that is cell, its structure and functions. Before going to that, I am going to explain about what is the meaning of cell. See here, cell means little room. Means it is a small chamber. See, this is a small chamber. This is a small chamber. In Greek, hollow space. In English, little room. Actually, this word is derived from Greek word, that is cell, meaning is little room, a small chamber. Okay, next one. Who discovered cell first time? In the year of 1665, Robert Hooke was discovered cell first time? He was observed in the cork cells of oak tree. Actually, he discovered the dead cells in the honeycomb. That is the discovery of a cell. Who discovered dead cell first time? Robert Hooke in the year of 1665. Later, living cell was discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek in the year of 1674. He was called the small microorganisms as animalcules. So living cell was discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Dead cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. Okay. What is the largest cell? See, largest cell is ostrich egg cell. Smallest cell is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, it is one of the smallest cell. Coming to our topic. What is our topic? Cell, its structure and functions. Already we understand about cell. What about structure? There are different structures of cells are there. Different structures. For example, onion cell is there. It is in rectangular in shape. See, this is a rectangular in shape. Whereas cheek cell, it is in a circular in shape. This is a circle shape. So this is about the structure. Next one, functions. Each cell has a specific function. For example, nerve cells are there, nerve cells. Nerve cells are involved in transferring the messages one place to another place within the body. That is nerve cell. Blood cells are there, which kills foreign material or microorganisms. See, different cells are there. Cells have different structures and specific functions. Nerve cell function is different. Blood cells function is different. So that is about the functions. What is the meaning of cell? Little room. Its structures, onion cell structure is rectangular in shape. Cheek cell structure is in a circular in shape. What about functions? Nerve cell function is transferring the messages. Blood cell function is kills foreign material or antigens. So that is about cell, its structure and functions. Coming to study of cells. See, there are different cells. We should study about each and every cell in detail. But study of cells are called as cytology. Cytology. Now it is called as cell biology. The study of cells, cytology. Now it is called as cell biology. Who is the father of cytology? See, C.P. Swanson. He was the modern father of cytologist. C.P. Swanson. He was the father of modern cytologist. Indian cytologist also there. He was none other than A.K. Sharma. So these are different types of cells and structures and functions. Coming to types of cells. Basically, they have given in 9th class textbook, there are two kinds of cells: animal cell and a plant cell. The cells which are present in plants, plant cells. The cells which are present in the animals are called it as animal cells. Once observe what are the structures present inside the cell. Once observe here, plant cell, animal cell. In the center of the cell has nucleus. See, this is a